Another basic CAD command in the field edition or field data edition is the boundary. So boundary is much like a polygon or a polyline. Basically, it's a closed shape. So it can be used for doing things like creating your borrow pits, your dump zones, your avoidance zones, stockpiles, or even used to limit the amount of a surface sent to your controller. So basically, you might give this a name, call it avoidance area. You can go ahead and define a layer, and then you can choose its usage. So if this happens to be avoidance zone, I can set it here, or I can pick one of these other options. I can choose the method, either an alignment corridor or a polygon, or a polygon from a line. So in this case, since I don't have any objects, I'm going to use polygon, and then it's going to ask me for a point. So I'm just going to pick a point, and as I start picking additional points, you'll see that it actually is creating that object. So as soon as I get to the last point and I click apply, or that last point, basically that's my polygon. If I hit close, you'll see the polygon or the boundary stays, and you'll notice in its properties that it is defined as a boundary, and it's an avoidance boundary. You can see the usage and the name, and I can modify that if need be.